Debbie's feet are good for you. Yes, very carefully. So it's better. And then come carefully back to the trot. Shoulder, forward, shoulder, forward, shoulder. Not pulling down. Shoulder, forward. Oh, so careful. Slow. Good. And canter again.
Forward for you.
Forward a little bit. Okay. Now carefully back to the trot. Oh. Yeah. Stop.
You just needs a little bit of medium cannon.
Yeah, careful. Oh yes, very careful. Go one round, careful. Go, talk to her. Oh. And hard. So now turn her carefully and slowly on the forehand with the right leg. The right leg. Slowly. And hard. Again, carefully and slowly on the forehand. With the right leg. Keep the hand at the mouth. When she gives, we're waiting for the giving. Oh yes. We're waiting for the giving. Oh, waiting for the giving. Yes. Now sort of slowly.
Yeah.
Slowly.
You got a golf ball.
One bottle already. The golf ball was down.
Definitely.
Oh, jawohl. And again, the heart. Now the Volta. And yes, Volta and the walk. Volta, and now Yisha. Make the turn on the forehand in the walk. In the Volta. In the walk. And keep your hand wide. Oh yeah, so careful. Repeat it carefully until low, yes. Oh yes. And now horse. Wait for the neck. When she says yes to you, honestly yes to you, then you, yeah, yes to you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hand at the mouth. Yes, ma'am. Hand at the mouth at all costs. Oh, yes. And now cut off now. Yes, ma'am. No. And now over the pose. Keep these hands in contact. So. Oh, good. Again. Yeah. Oh, forwards. Oh, yes. Oh, change the ring.
The chain ring.
Chain ring. Oh, it's good. Yeah. Go rain. Yeah, careful. Careful. Jawohl. Jawohl. And hard. Hard. Around. Keep hand at the mouth. Yes. Yes, ma'am. That's the point. Yes, ma'am. Not only steady, she must have given. Given. Oh, and now trot. That is crucial, you know. Without giving, we can't do it. So, did you feel?
Yeah.
Now that was something where you could feel. Now she starts to go over the back. Oh, careful. Not to, yeah. I know that will happen because she must go walking on water. No, in no way doing something special now, just water. Not punishing or something, just water until she calms down. Has nothing to do. It's correct what you do. It is correct. You must hit that nail on the head. Otherwise, you will never get anywhere. When she said yes, then you thought of as a reward. And not over the poles, around the poles.
Okay.
Oh, you feel it. Oh yes, it indicates a way a little bit how she comes out. Careful. Oh, careful. See, the difference is before you did nothing and now you try to ride her through the neck, and that's why she gets naughty.
Yeah.
Because she doesn't want to give that neck. But when she has given the neck, then she is way better. That what will be the outcome. So you, in the right moment to start. It does not make sense. Oh, jawohl. This horse is a challenging girl, but she's worth it.
Very different from Ted.
Now we're getting it. Yes, good so. Now you have to be smart that you don't ask in the wrong moment to trot. She must have given before you do a upward transition. That she steps up through the neck into the transition. That is crucial. It's not enough that she goes out. She must step up through the neck. Yeah, down more, down more. Yeah, down, but not dropping. That's also not giving. Oh, yeah. Then walk on, into the hand, now trotting off, into the hand. Yeah, absolute. You feel it?
Yes.
Oh, and now let her trot over the poles. Yes. See, keep the hand at the mouth. Good, one more time.
Hold first.
No, just through. Take the inner leg and bring her very carefully into the outside leg. And that she gives. Oh, and then go straight. Go trot. Go once again. Bring her into the outside leg. Careful. Very careful and skillful. So that she learns to give from inside to outside, and then you change the rein. So Yes. So, come from the right side now. So, it's good. Yeah. Yeah, that looks better. She starts to go into the hand now. It will take a while, however. That doesn't go so quick, really quick. Here she gets it already carefully better. So come. Make now a little bit leg yielding to the outside. So very careful, 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 and now. Oh. So again, a little careful the yielding. Do this outside way carefully. Yeah, so. The outside leg cuddles, accepts the yield. Now the thing becomes narrow. Do you feel it? Becomes real narrow. We have not changed, but now she starts to go over the back and then everything gets larger. This over the back comes from the contact. Yeah, you must. Again, come. Right there into the hand. You must not let her go too big, you know. You into the hand stay at the mouth, and then forward. Go. So, again, come. Oh, jawohl. Wrist into the hand. So, and then you go down the long side. So come, trot, trot, trot. So, trot, jawohl. Down the long side. So working trot, but not keep the contact. Don't think that the contact has to be light. No way. The contact has to be solid. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Solid. So, and now, trot bigger. Keep the neck as short and the hands as steady. So, careful bigger. Only so much bigger that she can hold that. Come, bigger. Careful bigger. She must top solid into those hands. Oh, good. Yes. Yes. Now we are getting better. So, the diagonal. Oh, yes. So good. Right now, mostly bigger. Mostly. Yeah, so. Now, when it sounds a little bit funny when I say it, but write the fist full. Write the stamp fist full. By driving it, she must get round. Keep hand at the mouth, write the fist full, go in a circle. So, both hands in contact and write the fist full. Not with kicking, consistency, lower legs, more, forwards, forwards, forwards. More and more without getting wild and crazy. The overall goal is to contact achieved by driving eight. Oh, jawohl. Forward, yeah. You feel when she has given in the neck,
Yes.
then you can reward by a little bit of stretching and a break. But you reward never rubbish. You reward only the good stuff. That means you must have given. And then you reward.